Hello my beautiful subscribers of Slichu and also first timers on my channel. I greet you all, welcome to this channel today, and we are on to Hamster daily Cipher Morse code for tonight. But there is a new development about Hamster Kombat. You can see the three icons right here: daily reward, daily cipher, and daily combo. So right now you don't need to tap on N 3 times to activate the daily cipher anymore. All you need to do is just click on daily cipher and it's going to activate automatically. Can you see? I just type on daily cipher and it will activate automatically. So if you want to do the daily combo, also just click on daily combo, it will take you to mine. That is very easy. So it's very easy. So for the daily cipher for tonight, so all you need to do is just tap on daily cipher right here. I think this is a good development to them for people that are having issues trying to unlock the daily cipher. So right now let's go ahead for the daily cipher for tonight. So let's click on this, and now the code we want to review tonight is called FARM. FARM. Very easy. FARM. That is the code for tonight. So let's start and review the first letter, which is F. To review F, we are going to do a short, long, and short. Short, long, and short. So let's go ahead and do that. Short, long, and short. I think we have the F. And to go for the A, we are going to do a short and a long. Short and long. So I think we have the A also. And to bring out the R, we are going to do a short, a long, and a short. So a short, a long, and a short. I think we have the R. And the last letter, which is M, we are going to do two long tap. Long. Hope you get that. Long tap. Long tap. So that's all. Long tap. And we have the Cipher Morse code for tonight. So thank you so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes, that is the only way you can support me on this channel. Thank you, and I'll see you later in another video.